Sweden has just unveiled its latest military marvel, a sixth-generation fighter jet that is not only redefining Nordic airpower but is also turning heads across the global defense community. At first glance, it looks like a product of science fiction, sleek, angular, and equipped with stealth-enhancing surfaces that shimmer in the light like a predatory bird mid-flight. But beneath its cutting-edge design lies a powerful message: Sweden is no longer content to be a neutral observer in the great aerospace arms race. With this new aircraft, Sweden is making it clear, they are here not just to participate but to dominate. This aircraft, developed by Saab under a project previously cloaked in secrecy, represents the pinnacle of what modern aerospace technology can achieve. It builds upon the legacy of the Gripen, Sweden's fifth-generation multirole fighter, which has already garnered international respect for its agility, cost-effectiveness, and innovative design. But this new sixth-generation jet leaps far beyond the capabilities of its predecessor. Powered by an adaptive cycle engine, the jet can reconfigure its thrust in real time, adjusting to the demands of speed, range, and maneuverability. It's not just fast, it's intelligently fast. This engine also greatly reduces the aircraft's heat signature, enhancing stealth even when traveling at supersonic speeds. It can cruise comfortably at Mach 1.8 without afterburners and sprint far beyond that when needed. The cockpit, or what remains of it, is almost entirely virtual. The pilot wears a helmet-integrated display system, where data, flight path, weapon status, and environmental details are projected directly onto the visor. It's like Iron Man's suit, only real. Gone are the analog gauges and physical switches. Everything is gesture-controlled or voice-activated, reducing the pilot's workload while increasing situational awareness. Perhaps most impressive, though, is the aircraft's integration with autonomous systems. It can fly solo or coordinate seamlessly with a swarm of drone wingmen, known as loyal wingmen. These unmanned companions carry their own weapons, surveillance gear, and electronic warfare packages, extending the combat effectiveness of the primary jet exponentially. During trials, the AI-assisted systems demonstrated the ability to independently detect, track, and simulate destruction of multiple airborne and ground-based threats, all without human intervention. But what truly sets Sweden's new fighter apart is its unmatched sensor fusion. Drawing data from satellites, ground radar, AWACS, and its own advanced AESA radar, the jet can generate a real-time 360-degree battlespace picture. It doesn't just react to threats, it predicts them. This predictive capability has been likened to having a chess grandmaster guiding every mission, always thinking several moves ahead. Stealth is not limited to radar evasion. The aircraft has been engineered with next-level infrared and electromagnetic masking. Enemy systems can't detect what they can't see or hear, and this jet is practically a ghost. Multiple tests have shown it penetrating highly defended airspace without triggering any known early warning systems. In simulated engagements against top-tier adversary aircraft like the American F-35 or even the conceptual Russian Su-57 derivatives, Sweden's jet achieved a staggering 9:1 kill ratio. Pilots describe the engagements as decided before they began. Internally, Sweden has also prioritized electronic warfare. Instead of bulky jammers, this fighter comes equipped with an onboard quantum radar disruption system. It doesn't just jam, it deceives. Enemy radars are fed false images, making it appear as if the Swedish fighter is in multiple places at once. In an age where the electromagnetic spectrum is as much a battlefield as the skies above, this capability alone puts Sweden ahead of nearly every other nation's air force. Another critical component is sustainability. Saab engineers made sure that this aircraft could operate with minimal logistical footprints. It can be refueled and rearmed within minutes, even in dispersed or rugged environments. Sweden, understanding the realities of modern conflict, built the jet for survivability and endurance, not just speed and firepower. And unlike many defense projects that balloon over budget, the Swedes remained ruthlessly efficient in their development approach, lean, agile, and focused. The international response has been one of astonishment. NATO allies are reportedly reconsidering procurement options, and defense analysts across Europe are calling the aircraft a strategic disruptor. The United Kingdom has expressed interest in technological collaboration, and even the United States, long considered the undisputed leader in air dominance, has acknowledged the Swedish breakthrough with a rare note of admiration. What's more, the jet's open architecture design means that future upgrades, whether in weaponry, AI capabilities, or propulsion, can be integrated seamlessly. This ensures that the aircraft won't just be dominant now but will remain cutting-edge well into the 2040s and beyond. Its lifespan is intended to span multiple technological evolutions without requiring a full redesign. The symbolism cannot be overlooked. For a country that has long held a policy of military non-alignment, this bold leap into sixth-generation warfare sends a message. Sweden isn't just ensuring its own sovereignty in a time of geopolitical uncertainty, it's offering a new model for national defense, technologically advanced, strategically independent, and fiercely innovative. In a world where air superiority can dictate the outcome of conflicts, Sweden's new fighter jet doesn't just compete, it crushes the competition. It is more than a jet, it's a statement of intent. And from every angle, stealth, speed, intelligence, and adaptability, it proves one thing: the future of air combat may very well be Swedish.